Hello guys, my name is Lenin and welcome to the Zapier tutorial. On the last video we saw how to create a Zap using a template. Today we will see how it works. We will see the result. So we see here that it says post new Google Drive files on Twitter. That's the one that we created. So whenever we post a file in Google Drive, it should also post it on Twitter. Let's test it. Let's go to Google Drive. Let's upload a file. We're gonna upload that one, testing template. Let's see. Okay, it is now here. Now we will go back to Zapier. We will click on this arrow and click on run so we can trigger the app. Let's see. Awesome, it says triggering a new item. It seems that it works. Let's go to Twitter. We're going to refresh Twitter. And great, we will see here, new file, testing template.pdf. It's also giving me the format and the link so I can open it. That is awesome. So I will see you in the next video, guys. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.